monkey time.
Chaka, ooga, 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 chaka,
Chaka,
ooga, ooga, chaka,
ooga, chaka,
ooga, ooga, chaka, ooga, 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 chaka,
I can't
ooga, ooga, ooga,
stop
chaka,
this
ooga, ooga, chaka, ooga, 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 chaka, ooga, chaka, ooga, 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 chaka, ooga, ooga.
chaka, ooga,
Who the fuck left?
All right, well,
someone
thanks
left?
for having us on.
When you're old.
Well, it's
That
been
was
fun.
monkey time.
Welcome to Monkey Time, the only podcast with monkey and time in one.
Yes.
I'm Soy Monkey here in the Jungle Bar. I got two co-hosts, not three as normal, but I got two co-hosts. The first one, go speak, one of you.
I'll speak. Hey, everybody. It's your
No,
host,
actually, I'll
Mo.
speak.
Hey,
I'm
Berry,
Berry Baboon.
Barry, you bastard.
Hey guys, welcome to Monkey Time. I'm Soy Monkey. Today we go talk.
Okay, yeah. Hey, everybody. I'm your co-host, Roach. You may be wondering who's missing. That's Piss Monkey. That is because they've been taken in by the Monkey FBI due to ecological terrorism. They are investigating whether or not his pee stream does in fact pollute the watering hole. Next to
Kaczynski monkey.
Piss
That's called a
Kaczynski, baby.
callback.
Yeah, baby.
We got two guests, and we're a little bit starstruck today because they're big boys. They're big old boys.
This will
First
give
one we
us a lot
got-
of views.
We got Mr. K. Rool over here. Mr. King
Hello.
K. Rool, say hello.
Hello. Good to be here.
The
Mm.
lizard.
Real thick lizard.
Number two.
The Croc
Drum roll,
King.
please. We got Donkey Kong Ape.
Yeah, it's kind of a small account, you know.
You wouldn't have heard of it.
It's kind of like an indie gem, you know, when it comes to the parody community.
Yeah, for real.
Hidden gem
No.
Donkey
A
Kong.
real diamond in the rough.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I know, we got any more? Any more of those? It's like a needle in a haystack.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
that's another one.
Now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mean to brag, but I've been featured quite a few times on Reddit.
That's
Donkey Kong, how does it feel to be the most famous ape of all time?
I
Bro,
mean,
way
I
to
think
fucking-
King
way to
Kong
fucking
would like to have a
disrespect
word with
Harambe.
you, cockroach.
fucking three people start talking. Donkey Kong, you're so wholesome. It's so cool.
yeah, I'm so wholesome. Wholesome 100.
Oh,
Mhm.
you're so
Also,
Reddit.
Keanu Chungus 100.
You got a CU named after you?
Yeah, dude, I got my own CU.
I want to see you.
You're on CU?
Dude, save it for after the podcast.
Oh, that would have been a funny shtick for this podcast. All of us pretending to like shill to you to try to get into DKCU. Anyway, Donkey Kong. That's a really cool thing you got going there. I watched
I
it for
love
a
you
while. I
so
don't know
much,
what-
Donkey Kong.
Donkey Kong?
You're the greatest
am I-
account of all time. You're the
am I
only ape that
DKCU confirmed?
matters.
Okay,
Dude,
suck
listen,
your
I
dick,
can't
though.
spoil
Also,
anything yet.
Hashtag hoping to get in the DKCU.
Listen, anything's
I wanna be in
possible.
there so bad.
Anything can happen when you taste Reese's Puffs.
R
True,
double
true.
E S E S yes. C to U double F S yes.
The old
Okay.
rap was better.
Yeah, it was way better.
Hey man.
Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs.
Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up,
eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
eat 'em up, eat 'em up.
This is
I
the
got
musical
Reese's
episode,
Puffs in my
apparently.
bowl. I mean, listen, the Ooga Chaka thing was your idea.
Hey, man,
No,
it
what the
was-
fuck are you talking about?
that was- My fault, my fault.
Oh, yeah, that was you.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Yeah.
what are you guys' opinions on the Kong-Kremlin conflict?
The what
Ah.
conflict?
The Kong Kremlin conflict.
I'm firmly on the side of the Kremlin.
Hell
Personally,
yeah.
I'm on the
Yeah,
side
I
of
think
Palestine.
Russia.
Israel is definitely in the wrong on this one.
Personally, I think we should just get rid of them all.
I'm on the side of the
Dang.
Kremlin. I think that Putin has our best interest in mind.
Yes, in fact. Ah man, I miss Obama.
Very good to hear.
You kink a Putin.
Это очень хорошо.
I should,
Мне нравится
I
Putin.
should make a fucking joke about that. Why haven't I done that yet?
You can
Yeah,
make a
come
joke
on.
about that and it would bang.
It would
Can I
bang.
be your Can I be your K. Rool ghostwriter?
Listen, send them my way. God knows that I don't have any.
Remember to
Okay.
DM K Rool if you have any
no, no, because don't say that. That's serious. We have a
Oh,
we have
yeah.
a running joke on our podcast about DMing Baboon Jome to get into Jungle Thick, which by the way you should do. You should always do if you want to
You
get into.
should.
It,
always
only if
Isn't-
you're wholesome.
Isn't Jungle Thick like anyone can make an
No,
account?
no, it's a closed parody group.
Closed
Excuse
class.
me.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah, I
What
see. I
are you guys
see.
talking about?
Nobody's
It's a
allowed.
location, dude. I've been there before.
You have to
It's
be
not a
wholesome and
group.
talk about things like bashing your cock in with a rock.
I mean, hey, there's Cock Monkey.
Nah, you have to be wholesome.
No, wait, what?
You have to be wholesome. Who's Cock
That was-
Monkey?
That was
You have to be
Skinner, right?
wholesome 100.
Only wholesome and jungle thick. If anything else, just go to jungle keck.
Jungle King.
Jungle Tech.
Oh my god.
No dank irony here.
Alright, I'm throwing this on you right now. I'm sorry, I just thought of this. Let's play a game called, Is This Real Parody Twitter or Is It Fake? Where you guys give me 3 things, or I guess give the host 3 things, and then we have to pick out which one's not real. Go on.
Huh.
Just like
Talk, be
anything
funny.
parody
Be
related.
funny.
Okay, alright, fine, here. Okay, I have one.
Be entertaining.
DK, while I'm saying the first one, you can think of more.
Okay, wait.
Remember, one's gotta be fake.
Okay, don't worry. I know. Okay. Wario and Goku having a fight at Waluigi's taco stand that ends up with Wario boring Goku whole.
I hate
You run straight into it.
Can I get 2 more? Or is that it?
Please.
Okay, you got any DK?
I thought we were just gonna go like list one and say if it's real or
Oh,
fake.
okay. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's better. Okay, so
That's a better idea.
cockroach. You think it's real or fake?
Yeah, sadly, I believe I saw that one. I think that's real.
I'm gonna say that's real because Barry.
Yeah,
I think it's real.
Correct, it's real. It happened the other
Yeah.
night with an account that DK runs.
Yes, sir. Dude, Goku, he went to go to the taco stand and I was like, I can't let them have it. So I went to the taco stand's Wario and I beat him up.
And then you forward him. Like,
Yeah, no,
or
and then-
like,
and then
you not on screen, but like,
Alright,
Implied
so,
war. Implied war.
So their logic was that like he got launched at taco stand, right, and he came out of it fat, right? But Goku wasn't in the panels where he was fat, so their logic was I ate him.
Oh my
I
god.
fucking love the funnyverse.
so
Funny
great.
verse.
So great.
So, what do you guys think about the controversy of the this is a little classical parody controversy, but of the shield that only DKCU members can get through?
Oh no!
The what?
My favorite moment ever. During that, what was it? Was it Robocon? Is that what the fight was?
Cyberstorm.
Cyberstorm.
Cyberstorm, which is a stupid name by the way.
It was, yeah, we should. I said we should have called it Age of Robo, but I think it was like Lancer. I don't know. Who made that
Don't
name?
name drop. Don't name drop.
Don't name bro. Don't
bring
drop,
out the
bro.
tea.
I'll fucking name drop it. It was a stupid name.
Yeah, Lancer, if you're watching this, you suck, dude. Suck your
Well,
fingers.
That's why parodies are bad. A parody would never come up with a cool name like Eight Avengers on Ice. Because the villain is an ice monkey, get it?
I'm digging Ape Vendors, not gonna lie.
Oh hell! Is that an endorsement from the Kremlin, from
Hell
Putin's
yeah.
office?
Yes.
Listen,
Straight from
dude.
the dicks.
The
Avengers,
Kremlin
that's a nice
supports
name,
Eight
but-
Avengers.
Only parody Twitter has names like Funny Vegeta.
Like funny Vegeta.
We can talk more about the freaking funny accounts that have been around for like 3 weeks than we actually have. For DKCU.
That's because you're obsessed with them.
You are too, dude.
I mean, yeah.
This episode is no longer DK and K. Rool as guests.
It's funny verse.
Vegeta.
just funny Vegeta.
You
Yeah,
should
he's
get
here in
Funny
spirit.
Vegeta on
We were
here.
just talking to him.
Yeah, we were just talking to him,
He said something funny.
He said something funny, bro.
and then we
Yeah,
laughed.
dude.
Yes, he
I don't know.
does.
I don't know if you can believe it, but he did.
Oh man, Funny Vegeta said
Bro, it's
something
wild.
funny. It's so crazy,
Kind of
dude.
fucked up, honestly.
I didn't
Wow.
expect that, bro.
Oh man.
Is there a
So-
cryptid today? Is there a cryptid today or no?
Yeah, let me bring out the.
All right, ready for the
cryptid.
sound. The sound goes right here.
There's
That'll be
the sound.
funnier. It'll be funnier if the sound's not there, even, because
Yeah, just-
you know how consistent our editors are.
We just put a big
Just
pause.
gotta
Put a
go to
big
this
fart
list
noise.
of cryptids.
All right, Bertram
Just get like a
Baboon's cryptid
really
corner.
long fart.
just a real long fart.
Just
Yeah,
split
real-
my
get like one of those fart compilations off of YouTube.
Just a
Big
real
ol'
long.
honkin' toot.
Yeah, instead of like lo-fi like background music, just make it fart type beat.
Fart type
Five
beat.
fart.
I love fart type beat.
Fart type. Oh my god. This is
Okay, cryptid. This one's from Ohio, Kirtland, Ohio. It's the Melonheads.
What the fuck?
Metal. Yo, I don't know that
X
guy.
on the
Yo, Metalhead. What's up, Metalhead?
Your lore is too confusing.
How you been?
There's... Fuck you. There's this urban legend in Ohio that there was a doctor, like a mad scientist, who lived in the woods, who had a bunch of little kids, and did experiments on them that made their heads bulbous, sort of like a melon.
So they got smarter.
And one night the children pulled a revolution and burned down the guy's house, and they now roam the woods looking for something.
This sounds like an origin for like a Jungle Thick account.
It's almost as
like
good
the
as the
guy
fucking
with the
purple
melon.
goo.
Like
Melon
big
monkey.
brain
Purple
monkey.
goo.
Brain monkey. That's amazing.
Brain monkey.
Yeah, actually, we come bearing sad news. Me and K-Rool.
Oh, no.
We do?
Yeah, Jello Chimp's gone forever.
Oh yeah, he died.
Oh no.
Jello
Dead.
Chimp.
Peace.
Jello Chimp is dead, man.
Yeah, like
You
all
can
my
just
accounts
make
got
another
like
account.
restricted
Yeah.
about a month
K-Rool-
ago.
K-Rool tried to bring it back, but it gave him an error message and it just said forbidden.
I know. I like.
Wait,
I was just like
whoever's
fiddling
editing,
around.
put the image up that they posted in.
I mean, you know, if it's Piss Monkey, he's not gonna do it. So, I mean, if it's me, I'll do it. Oh my
It was so
Wait.
like I was just fiddling around with like the account settings, and I tried to change something small, and just a pop
Forbidden.
error, forbidden with like all lowercase
Gone
period.
forever.
And I was like, what the fuck?
I'm gonna give him a little bit of an effigy. Ready?
What does that
Guy.
account even do, honestly? He was active, but like, what was he active with?
I mean, he did like the whole Jello Chimp searches for the meaning of life thing.
Oh yeah,
Dude, that
weren't
was
they
when he
like
was
giant?
selling it.
Fight skeletons.
They were like
Yeah,
giant
in a
for a
cave with
while.
skeletons.
Oh, yeah, then he got
found
big.
a
Life was giant.
No, the big thing was a different thing that I never continued.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Jello
What,
Chimp never continued.
wait, what? So why did you make him change flavors?
Why did
Because
Jello Chimp change?
He found his true self.
Oh, I see. I'm proud of him.
We should do a tribute to Jello Chimp for Avengers. Just, you know,
Dedicated
have a little
thing to
feud.
Jello Chimp.
They all go to the cliff and they look up at this night sky and they see a big Jello Chimp
Jello
face.
Chimp.
I'll probably
Dedicated
still-
to Little Richard and Jello Chimp.
I'll probably still try to bring him back, but I make no promises.
Hell yeah! I'm so excited for the return of Jello Chimp that you have just guaranteed us.
That I have promised you
Yes.
100% is going to happen.
Remember to DM them to make sure Jello Chimp comes back.
Please badger me about it. I want all the spam messages.
Constantly.
Constantly. Jello Chimp, Jello Chimp, Jello
Hashtag
Chimp,
bring back
Chimp.
Jello Chimp.
Hashtag, yep, hashtag revive Jello Chimp. You need 10,000 likes.
I mean,
Hashtag
we-
Jello
we-
Chimp didn't kill
We
himself.
could just make a new account. It only had like 50 followers.
That's a little Jon Stewart style comedy. A little call out there for a big old account.
Ooh. Chill out, Soy. Chill out, Soy.
Dang.
Don't want me.
I mean, 50 followers is small.
Are you trying to diss the DK Nation?
DK Nation. They don't know
DK
DK Nation.
There's
Why was my
DK
first-
DKC.
My first thought was like the Malcolm X Nation of Islam, not
No,
anything else.
the DK Nation is like, we were in a call one night. We were talking about like what you know how like every big like celebrity has like a name for their fans.
Yeah,
We were talking about like what Donkey Kong Apes fans would be called. I forget who it was. I think it was like Yoshi. He came out with DK Nation.
Yeah, and whenever someone disses the Donkey Kong ape, I send my DK Nation after him.
Yeah, he just pounds his chest and screams, "DK Nation, attack!"
DK Nation. Attack.
It's like
And
a swarm of
the big
bees. They all
chungus
just like
Redditors.
surround you.
You like
Please.
you put your hands in the air. both
Subscribe
with
to the
your arms
Jungle
in the
Thick
air,
YouTube channel to become a part of the
And then
DK
you just-
Nation.
Oh,
point
hell
with
yeah,
both,
please.
Both hands
Please do
directly
that.
at who you want to attack, and just a swarm of apes.
Yeah, like if someone says something bad about like Donkey Kong, they jump on them, right? And then there's like a saw blade noise, and as soon as you walk off, they're just gone.
Oh, so it's like piranhas like swarming someone.
Yeah.
You guys like Planet of the Apes?
I
Yeah,
only
I love
saw
that
the
movie.
last
I love
one.
Planet of the Apes.
You only saw that was the worst
Yeah.
one.
I actually
We're talking
yeah.
about
watched,
Apes.
I watched that in whatchamacallit, a stream with Milk Ape, I think.
I love Planet of the Apes. They're so good.
I like
Yeah,
Dave Franco.
I only saw the last one, and I thought it was okay.
What was that? What was that sound? Oh, I think it was Donkey Kong.
K-Roll, make the
What?
Make the noise with your exercise ball.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I just have an exercise ball in my basement that I like play around with in calls, and everyone gets annoyed by it.
Oh,
Hell
I
yeah.
like it. I like it a lot.
I got something better. It's called a Roland 808,
Oh,
and
oh
it's
no.
not playing. Come on, play. Come on, you fucker. You absolute buffoon, play.
Soy's situational comedy isn't working. That was his one like quirky
There we
moment
go.
in the group.
I think you spoke too soon.
Oh man.
Welcome to Monkey Time, the chilled segment in the middle of the episode.
Wait, no, Soy, put a fat beat so I can spit a real freestyle over it.
What do you call this? I guess this is too slow. Here, I'll amp it up.
Ooh,
Yeah.
hell yeah.
All right.
This is what made the Beastie Boys' career.
Hey. Boys on Monkey Time. That's my time. Fine rhyme, baby.
That's his
Hell
time.
yeah.
Call me cockroach.
It's my time, monkey
Cause my
time.
cock is big.
big.
Real thick.
Thick.
Yeah. I'll
Yeah.
pass it on. Very
Go on,
shaky.
Barry, go on, do some spoken word.
Okay, yeah. Let me just get my rapper.
DK, drop some
voice
bars.
ready, just
I'm gonna do a fill.
hang on.
Dude, language.
Yeah, so those were my bars. I'm
Dude,
sort
you
of a
can't say that in
professional rapper.
2020. I'm serious, dude.
You can cancel that.
You know, I do what other people won't. I just sort of say what I think. I say it how it is. And shoot
Well,
from the hip.
I'm sorry to tell you that the world has changed, and
I'm sort of a straight shooter. Sort of
that
a
kind of
maverick.
language just doesn't fly anymore.
Barry is just too real.
It's too
Too
real.
powerful
Chromed
for you,
out
coward.
rims. We don't need a windshield.
Fuck no.
Barry with no brim.
Oh.
Now you've made me think of the video of the mom that I saw on Jungle Instagram.
The mom?
See, oh god, okay, you don't need that.
Jungle
Oh.
Graham.
You know, I feel like we're being kind of unfunny in front of a kingmaker and a Russian oligarch. Can't
Are
help
we?
it.
Well,
funny?
You're trying your
K-Rool.
best.
Carol, huddle up for a second. I don't
Okay,
think these
okay.
guys are that funny. Like, for real.
I-
The inventor's on here.
Honestly, they're just like they're just talking.
Hey, Roach and Berry, huddle up for a second.
This is
These
why
I
guys
the
really
fucking
hope
suck.
they're being nice to us.
They really fucking
really
suck.
funny,
Wait, oh,
so
sorry,
I hope
Barry.
I hope they
This is-
understand how funny we are.
Yeah, I mean, I
Because we are
really
really
hope-
funny.
DK, why the fuck did we agree to do this?
we're
For
animals with Twitter accounts.
Hey Barry, I'm so
Pretty
glad
wild.
that they agreed to be on our podcast. We've been waiting for them for so long with their many,
Yeah,
many
I
followers
really
and their
hope-
huge
I really hope we
penises.
don't disappoint them because we're
This
so
is why the
funny.
Bunyip episode has the most views.
That's true. That is fucking true. The Bunyip
what?
episode, which is it's our April Fool's episode. It's Jome saying, "Oh shit, it's fucking penis time" over fucking Middle Eastern music for 25 minutes.
I love
and
that
it has
video.
the
I love
most
that video.
views.
Isn't that the April Fool's episode?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's the
Yes.
April Fool's.
Oh shit, it's fucking penis time.
Oh shit.
shit, it's fucking penis time.
Oh shit.
But yeah, me and Carol talked, and I don't think the Jungle Thick DKCU peace contract is gonna work out.
Yeah,
Shit.
sorry to
We're
say,
going
but
to
you're
war.
all gone.
We're going to war.
This is just like Planet of the Apes. We've just gotta get our AK-47s and we've gotta take down
This is just like
DKCU.
Joe's apartment.
We like to keep it wholesome, friendly. Everyone's welcome here. So, so who's your least favorite member of the DKCU and why?
I'd have to say unequivocally, it's that Donkey Kong guy.
Yeah, for real, I hate that dude.
Fuck
Can
him.
you do a DKCU tier list?
Definitive.
All right, so
Skinner and
at the
Woodhaven
top
are at the
is
top and everyone
at the
else
top
is
is
at the
Croc,
bottom.
and at the bottom is everyone else ever.
That sounds about right.
Not good.
Yeah, but sounds about right.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
actually, no.
Croc.
S plus tier, Peter Griffin, best DKCU member.
Hashtag revive Peter.
Fucking love that guy. Let's bring him back.
Let's get it, dude.
Revive Peter, guys. Do it. Come on.
Dude, let's revive Peter.
Hell
Again.
yeah, we're getting the
Hey,
band back
Lois.
together.
Lois. Hey, you guys want to hear my funny English baby impression? Give me something to say.
Go for it. Just say, guys, we gotta revive Peter.
Brian, we must revive Peter.
Oh,
Hello.
fuck you.
Hello, King K.
I heard-
Rool. Welcome
I
to
heard
Monkey
funny-
Time.
I heard funny English baby, and I don't know how my mind didn't associate that with Stewie.
Funny English.
I just think you'd be like, "Hello, good sir."
What the fuck?
Just random baby noises.
Hello, good
Goo goo
sir.
gaga. Yes, yes, very good.
That's
It's
fantastic.
me, Alec Baldwin from The Boss Baby.
Uh,
Sometimes dead's better. John Lithgow, Pet Cemetery. Yeah, that's an oldie. That's an oldie.
Pet Cemetery, except
Yeah.
they're reviving Peter.
So what's new for the Duck? What's coming next?
yeah, for the
Um,
Deku.
I don't know what I can.
Well,
Something's
the day-
definitely coming.
yeah, something's definitely coming. We can't say, but
Yeah, it's me. I'm talking about your arcs.
yeah.
What's next?
Well, let's just say Pablo fans are in for a big
Yeah,
treat.
Pablo fans are in for a treat.
Fuck.
We've been making jokes this time, but something is coming.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Something big is coming.
Oh no, I was hoping the DKCU was stopping forever. Fuck.
I thought it
Oh,
was
no, man.
canceled. I thought we
We're back in
stopped it.
business.
Hey, what do you guys think about that Ness's dad guy? He's pretty cool, right?
I mean, he's very useful. I can contact anyone in the world using him.
Why does he only have 45? Well, I mean, he's really cool, right?
Oh wait, I thought you were talking about like just the character Ness's dad, like the phone.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Mhm.
That would have been
Yeah.
embarrassing if it wasn't.
Yeah. That's I think that's the ideal response that it was.
All right.
All right.
All right, guys. I think it's time
Yeah.
for the civil debate about which
Yeah.
is better, Jungle Thick or DKCU.
All right, let's
I
have it.
think
Let's
the
have it
answer's
right now.
obvious.
Let's
Okay,
It's
let's have an
who's
intellectual
the-
discussion.
Yeah.
Who,
has
who's
a
that big
podcast?
buff guy walking up?
Who has a podcast?
Holy shit, who is that?
Dude, did he just fart on us?
Bro. It's the DK Nation. We gotta get out of here. It's the DK Nation.
fucking funny, but
I'll never mess with Donkey Kong Ape again. I promise.
oh my god.
Uh.
The DK Nation.
The DK Nation, the Kong heads.
Donkey Kong, I feel like you have more followers than like a bunch of like shitty rappers. You could fuck with them if you wanted to.
You
Wait,
could.
Wait, who? Who?
Like
I
shitty
feel like,
rappers.
I feel like there's so many shitty rappers out there that you could easily fuck with.
Forget rappers, just celebrities in general.
Yeah, like some C-listers. I'm sure you're beating out on Twitter.
Imagine like having a rap
Yeah, I'm
song
almost
and
at
then
100,000.
featuring Donkey Kong.
so-
Like,
Check
featuring
out-
Donkey
wait,
Kong for
okay,
clout.
okay.
Yeah, I don't mean to brag, but I have more followers than the official Rabbids Twitter account.
Dude,
I actually do.
you
I
should
want-
mean to brag.
Wait, I want to check how many William Shatner has. William Shatner.
It's probably I'm gonna hedge my bets on less.
Less.
But like,
for comparison-
like not by a lot. Slightly
For comparison,
Yeah,
I have
no, yeah.
92
Stop talking. Stop talking. We're all very wrong. He has 2.5 million. Fuck.
Less. Oh shit. Okay.
I'm not
It's
even
the
100,000
DK.
yet.
Yeah,
You'll
like
get
what?
there eventually, DK.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you're not even 100,000. Oh, god.
Oh man.
Wow, what a fucking
Fucking
baby! You're
pathetic.
so tiny.
What a baby. Go on. Throw some more names at me. Let's check them out.
Who's smaller?
Let's check.
Well,
Oh,
Alexander.
no more.
Let's check Mayor Cuomo. Let's see how many he has.
I feel like
Governor
like
Cuomo.
now with the coronavirus, it's probably more, but it was probably less earlier.
Does Cuomo even have Twitter?
I remember back like a long time ago, I used to go in the I used to go in the Jungle Thick server, right? Like Milk Apes 1, and I used to update it every time I hit a milestone on my account.
Bruh.
And like I used to like fill them in, and Milk Ape was like, "Yeah, good job, woo." And then I kind of
Dude.
stopped after I got more than him.
Oh, did you? Were you?
The fact that you
Milk
did
Ape?
that in
Did you
the
start
first
after?
place.
Did you start after
Yeah,
Ape?
I started after Milk Ape, a good like few months after.
I remember in class one day you were like freaking the fuck out because a panda followed you.
A panda followed you?
Panda? Yeah.
Panda?
Are you kidding me? A real life panda from China?
Yeah, but
No,
also
the
he
YouTuber. But
he
also the
unfollowed
YouTuber.
me. He unfollowed me.
Why did he unfollow
unfollowed
you?
you?
Why did he
Why
unfollow you? I didn't know about this.
Did you offend
Because I'm
him?
too wholesome.
This is too wholesome.
Wait,
God, wait.
how many followers do you have, DK?
You gotta get critical
92,000.
mass. You gotta get
Oh,
critical mass.
almost beat Ari Aster. Just
Run
got-
us through your known followers, like your well-known followers. Who you got besides a panda?
Who you got next?
Besides-
Okay. Go on.
Besides us, who do you got?
Donkeys.
Oh, yeah.
Donkey's
Besides
wife.
Soy Monkey. Oh yeah, Leia follows you.
Jimmy Wetzel.
What?
I only know him. He went on like Grunt Kid a few times. That's all I know him by.
Yeah, me too.
Oh yeah, that
Donkey Kong Ape. Oh my god, guys, Donkey Kong Ape follows me. This is wild. Can't believe it.
That's insane,
Platonic Games follows me and has conversations with me.
Yeah, they do that with me and Funky too.
The oh god, what was it?
They quote tweeted Funky's tweet about all the Kongs being hamsters and eating grass.
I love that tweet. I miss Funky Kong.
Wait, what's the
Hashtag revive Funky.
what's the
He
game
has to.
that's the oh, if I can't think of what they're called. It's they constantly change their theme on their Twitter
What?
account. Oh, Toe Jam and Earl. Toe Jam and Earl.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
They
That's
fell
what
off. They were banging like a year ago, but like you never hear from them anymore.
Man, they really fell off.
it's wild
God,
that
they really
technically only like 2 degrees of separation away from Lil Nas X.
I think they gave out too many free game codes.
Yeah, like-
I really like Slim Jim on Twitter posting funny memes.
I
Yeah,
stand by the
Twitter
assumption
account.
that there are 0 good brand accounts on Twitter. I don't understand like
Donkey Kong Ape is the worst of the worst.
that's
Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong.
People think I'm a brand account. I get like tagged in like random people's like posts about Donkey Kong.
Wait, didn't you tell me? Oh, sorry.
Wait, no, you say. You go.
Back in like last year in like the summer, when there was the whole like argument about like how like video games cause violence, you got DMs from people thinking like you were the actual like Donkey Kong like Nintendo like account.
Yes,
Saying
actually.
that's crazy.
Is he finding
That
one?
is wild.
No, what I was gonna say is, what do your DMs look like? Because that shit must be like that must be a train wreck.
Dude, I closed them off like ages ago. K-Rool
Oh,
still
you
has his
oh.
open.
Pussy, keep them open.
Pussy.
Can we,
boy,
like-
pussy?
Can we like put like some old ones on the screen?
Hang on, let me find if I. Let me
I had a
see if
DM earlier today with like some furry account.
Oh god.
Are you
you're, like,
ba-
an adventure.
Like 2 days ago, I turned off DMs like a year ago now, and so after like an entire year, after some guy asked me if he could have some of my bananas, I said no, and then a year later he said, "Have you changed your mind?"
Those are some pretty cool
You
bananas.
should have said yes. You can have one. That guy waited a year.
I
You
mean,
could've
What
had
kind of
one.
monster are you?
Bro,
Bastard.
like that's why I steal them. You're so fucking stingy with them.
We gotta cancel the DKCU.
King K. Rool is really a sort of Robin Hood type character.
Yeah,
stealing
he
from
honestly is.
Good rich.
Forget the fact that he's a monarch, but
He really is an anti. He really is an anti.
Stealing from the
Let me
rich.
see if I
and
can get the
giving to
BPM
rich.
right. Let me see if I can get this BPM right. Come on, baby. Let the good times roll. And let me play this. There we go. Okay.
monkey.
What
time.
BPM do you guys think that the DK rap is at?
I know
Dun,
nothing about
dun,
music,
dun,
but my
dun,
heart's
dun,
telling me
Dun, dun, dun,
Faster?
dun,
Yes,
dun,
faster,
dun.
right?
yeah,
Yeah,
faster.
faster.
Here
So
we go.
you're finally here,
Here,
performing
Performing
for
Wait, no,
you.
okay, let's, no,
you
the
know
words.
the words
you
you
can
Join in two.
two.
Put your
Put your
hands
hands
together.
together.
If you
Good
want,
job.
clap.
Good
And
job.
I'm gonna take
you
you
Not
through
funny.
this
monkey
monkey rap.
DK.
Okay.
Shut up.
Donkey Kong.
Kong.
DK.
Why am I not in the DK rap?
Donkey Kong.
You're the bad guy. You're not a Kong.
Now, my favorite
Don't
part of
care.
the
I
DK
should- I
rap
should get,
is
like,
where
I should get a reference.
it starts going like this.
DK.
Hava, Nagila Hava, Nagila Hava, Nagila Venezuela. Hava, Nagila Hava, Nagila Hava, Nagila Venezuela. Hava, na rana.
Bravo.
Hava.
Hopefully that was
So
on
how about
beat.
those
I think we-
Israelis and Palestinians? Israelis and Palestinians.
I'm not touching that even as a joke.
Let's talk. Let's talk about
K-Rool,
some
do you
more.
watch this podcast? They
Listen
bring
to
that up
giggles.
every time.
Do they?
Oh, you do listen to the podcast. K-Rool,
Yeah,
you're
I
a
love
fake
this
fan.
podcast.
Oh.
I love this podcast.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Before the show
Wait, you know what
came
that
on,
means?
said-
You know what that means? Everybody,
What?
all of his followers, has to watch our podcast.
Yeah,
That's
Yeah,
true.
true.
You do.
Legally,
DK, please
you have
advertise.
to
I mean,
now.
don't advertise us at all.
What if I did advertise like your podcast to my 92,000 followers?
That'd be really funny, bro. That'd be
guys are
so
cool.
funny,
That'd be
bro.
so
You should
funny.
do
That'd
it.
be
Bro,
so
that'd
funny.
be crazy,
Listen,
bro.
It'd be
You
cool
don't
if you
you
did
don't
that
really
as a
care about
joke.
the account anymore.
That'd
What's
be
stopping
fun.
you? These guys are cool. They have a cool
Can I get toe pics? Can I get toe pics?
As a joke, I think it would be funny.
Yeah, dude, as a joke, it'd be so funny.
Just
What do
do
you
it
think
for
Donkey
Barry.
Kong's cock looks like? Lol.
Okay,
Here,
here,
I'll
okay,
get
give,
everything.
give an advertisement right now to your followers. Like, just tell them.
Buy my products. Buy my merch.
Wait,
What is your
say-
merch? Bananas?
Live tweet your experience of being on the podcast.
Say I am Donkey Kong, and
I'll-
you should
I'll
all
tweet
watch
I am
our
on a podcast right now.
Dude, this is gonna make for some mean Donkey Kong 8 bangers.
Hell yeah. I'm so excited for when we get to the point where we can get like more hate than we get support. It's gonna be great.
Nice
I
video,
don't
guys.
think Jungle Thick or anything related to it will ever get there. It's just too like nice of a community.
Nah,
People find ways.
people find ways, man.
Actually, not gonna say who it is. But
I didn't hear what you said. Oh, right now I'm an idiot. Anyway,
Redhead?
how about that band Oasis? You guys know those guys? They're pretty wacky, right?
Never heard
I-
of them.
Roach,
I've never
please, do you
heard
have
of
a
them.
segment?
Huh?
Roach, please. Roach, please,
What?
do you have a segment?
Oh yeah, yeah. So we talked about Israel versus Palestine.
No, we
Palestine,
didn't, and we're not gonna.
but let's go to some better news.
See, in place of Piss Monkey, we have K-Rool.
Okay. So can we? This is a new segment, a rebrand, a restroom review. This is a poo news. Can someone put like the official like you know?
I'm
No,
on
but
it.
like just with like pictures of shit in front of it.
For the third time, it depends on who edits.
like you know the beginning of a news thing. I'll just pause.
Just like get like the drama alert intro.
Poo news. So,
Yeah, just put a bunch of poo pictures on there, and it's all just
Uh-huh.
pictures of DKC logo.
Bro, wouldn't it be funny if you put a bunch of pictures of poop on there as a
yeah.
joke?
All right, so let me get to my thing.
Not like cartoon ones, just like actual ones, please. I'm begging you.
Whoever's editing right now, as soon as I finish the sentence, put like a big picture of poop.
Dude, I've always wanted to do this. All right, editor,
I know.
put a big funny picture of Donkey Kong's foot on screen right now.
Come on, 90,000. Piss.
Dude, I got 90,000 followers. Do it or you're canceled.
Come on, Piss. Come on, Piss. You gotta do it.
We need to do whatever we can to make sure Soy edits this one, not this, so that we can.
No, please don't make me. I've got nothing going on, but also no inspiration to do anything.
Listen, we're giving you the guidelines. We're saying right now, put up a picture of a banana. And then make it spin around really fast.
Guys, can I do my segment now?
Go for it.
All right.
All right,
Two
I'll
news.
allow it.
Donkey Kong Ape allows it.
What is up, Drum Alert Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. Let's get right into the...
April 17th. This is an article by David Grimes. It officially says that the archaeological records are full of dog poop. In
Hell yeah.
1981, Melita Zetter discovered that a large majority of fossils contain poop. Just a lot of poop.
Bro, this is
I'll just
fucking
say-
awesome.
This is a funny and good segment.
And let's just say, I've tasted a lot of it.
And your opinion on it?
It's great. That was a bad
Out of 10,
segment,
what would you
guys.
give it?
That was a bad segment, guys.
If you had to rate it, like if you had to like compare
five
it to,
out,
like, other
five
things you
indeeds
eat,
out of 5, dude.
but like between like whatever your least favorite food is and like whatever your favorite food is.
Spaghetti.
Bananas.
Tell me what this segment's called.
This segment is called "Really Funny and Hilarious Jokes" by
It's
King K.
an
Rool.
objective question. It's not. Oh, okay, Donkey Kong. What's this segment called?
Donkey Kong.
You're both failures. It's poetry with Soy Monkey. I got a banging monkey poem for you guys today.
Give it
Well,
to us.
I know a thing or two about banging.
It's
Enlighten
called.
us. Enlighten us.
Actually, I might as well do it with a rhythm because I got this. But it's called the Itsy Bitsy Monkey. Is what it's called.
That's fantastic.
Lay it on us.
Oh boy.
You ready?
Mhm.
The itsy bitsy monkey climbed up the coconut tree. Down came a coconut and hit him in his knee.
Fuck.
Dude.
Ow! Out came a lion, shaking his mighty mane. And the itsy bitsy monkey climbed up the tree again. Ah!
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Bravo.
Thank you.
But
That was
pretty
by
good. Pretty good.
It
Pretty good.
doesn't seem to be credited, but it was from school so it was from Pinterest, school songs, preschool, preschool jungle, preschool classroom, preschool music, preschool activities, rainforest preschool.
Credit them in the
action-
description.
My favorite one is action songs for kindergarten, toddler
Action-
preschool,
action
goodbye
songs.
songs for preschool, rainforest song, rainforest
Goodbye
songs.
songs.
I feel like if there's like a big death metal band, they should call their first album like Action Songs for Kindergartners.
It's funny. Action songs.
Action songs for kindergartners.
That gets a certified 777 follower account funny.
Awesome.
Epic.
That was fantastic.
All right,
Freaking
guys.
amazing.
I've been thinking. I have a
Freaking
proposition for you
awesome.
guys.
What are you thinking? What's your
Ooh.
proposition?
All right. However many Donkey Kong 8 bangers, like ideas for tweets, you can give me in 20 seconds is how many seconds I leave up the advertisement for this podcast on Donkey Kong
Oh
8.
shit.
Okay,
Get to
a
work,
picture
fellas.
of Donkey Kong, but with
Alright,
a massive human penis added onto it.
All right, I'm
Done that.
counting
He's
down
posted
in my
content
head.
one before.
Okay, a picture of Donkey Kong with Michael Stipe's head up his ass. A picture of Donkey Kong's hands, but they're on Obama's body, and he's saying "monkey banana." no
Dude,
race
time's
thing
up.
there. It's
You
the
better
first
be
person I
writing
thought
this
of.
down, my man.
Okay, that.
Okay,
I think
Donkey
time's
Kong,
up.
but like reverse.
Okay,
Uh,
I know I'm like not a part of this, but like Donkey Kong, but like really big dude, like, really big butt.
Donkey Kong, but wearing Sans jacket.
A picture of
Dude,
New
that
York
would
from the
bang.
That would unironically
1910s.
bang, and that makes me angry.
That would be really good, yeah. Yeah, no, it's a picture of the early settlements of Dutch people in New York with Donkey Kong just somewhere in the background, slightly blurred.
Okay, Donkey Kong, but like call him Conky Dong.
Donkey
Dude,
Kong with big old
that's
human
amazing.
feet. Donkey Kong, but he's riding Seymour Skinner.
Donkey Kong, but like officially jungle thick.
Donkey
not
Kong,
Donkey
but like he's
Kong.
about to eat you.
Just some information on how to deal with genital warts. Nothing to do with Donkey Kong.
I mean,
Lay it on
but,
me.
like,
It's also important.
No, I was
I mean,
saying
yeah.
like find a pamphlet. That's what I was saying.
oh yeah,
Donkey-
I'll just screenshot it,
Dude,
and I'll just like screenshot it, like tips for
Oh.
that, and I'll just caption it with Donkey Kong, just like just the name
No,
words.
just like make Donkey Kong saying it, like make a speech bubble.
The future of the Donkey Kong account is just non sequitur images with the caption
It's-
Donkey Kong.
It's looking bright.
It's like a picture of guitar picks with Donkey Kong as the caption.
If you can find a picture of like a really gruesome picture of a dead gorilla, edit Donkey Kong's head onto it. Just like smiling.
And just make me like I stubbed my toe.
Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, but with Donkey Kong's face.
That's wild.
Nice.
Yeah,
I'm liking these
that's wild.
ideas.
You're spitting out bangers, dude.
King
didn't
Kong,
know
but
it.
like, give it the DK tie.
Give the account to him,
Dude.
DK.
That's actually such a good one.
Harambe, but wearing DK.
Oh yeah, by the way, shout outs to my man, King Kong the Ape.
You can't
Yeah.
do that. That's illegal.
Can you
I
shout out
just
all of our
did.
accounts?
No.
Who are you guys again?
I'm King K. Rool.
Bro, yeah, he's at King K Cool. The other one's at Funny Vegeta,
Blocked.
and the third one is at Real Donald Trump.
So we're all at Monkey Time.
At Donnie J.
Yeah,
Mr.
big
What do, you
J.
guys, what do you guys think the merits are of having a I mean you're more of a parody group than we are obviously, but of having like a DKCU account as opposed to not having one.
I get to
Didn't you
shitpost
guys-
on it and talk about Pablo from the Backyardigans.
Didn't you guys have like an official account for Jungle Thick, but it was like a tree?
I don't think we've ever had one. We have a YouTube account, but we don't
I
have
think I
one.
do remember that. Yeah.
There was Jungle Thick Wrestling.
Which was
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that was
Yeah,
it. Yeah, maybe that was it.
And then I never did anything with it, man. Sorry.
Bring it back.
You know the meme where it's like this would be the world without like blank. Like it's just like this would be this would be Jungle Thick if it never got mixed with parody Twitter, and it's just like this utopian society.
Well, no, it would be anarcho-primitivism. They're monkeys. They wouldn't want all that technology.
Oh, true, but they're entering the Stone Age, dude.
That is true.
Yeah,
That is
Oh,
true.
look, monkeys are entering the Stone Age. Poggers.
They are.
How would you
I
guys
saw a tweet
describe?
and the caption was just, "Let's
the
fucking
monkeys?"
go."
let's fucking go.
Yeah.
What would you guys say is the governmental structure of the DKCU? Like a circumstantial oligarchy, a straight up democracy,
It's
dictatorship?
a
All right,
monarchy.
listen. They all
with
stack up into
DK
a
at
big
the top.
pile, and then I get
Yeah.
on top of the pile and I smoke a big cigarette,
Uh huh.
It is called.
And then you
DKCU.
smile and wink at the camera.
and I say,
That stands
That's
for
so
Monkey
DK.
Time Cinematic Universe.
Yeah.
It's a monarchy,
time.
except for instead of it being the one family that rules, it's just one person. When he
It's just
dies,
him.
the whole thing
That's
collapses.
called a dictatorship.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the DKCU if DK somehow is gone?
The CU.
The
there was
CU.
actually a
No,
discussion.
DK has thought about leaving like 5 times.
Yeah, for real. There was
And, like-
actually a discussion a long time ago of like, I should even be in the name still because I didn't do much
Yeah.
for like months.
I remember you were talking about like the end of Kong Space. You wanted to like head out. It's been that like
MPCU stands for Mouse Pizza Cinematic Universe, right?
it does. It always will, and no one can tell me otherwise.
Always has
Yeah.
as well, right?
It always has. It was never
Wanna
anything
make
else
sure.
ever, and it will never be anything else.
You know they changed their name.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
did.
because
I'm
of
in
the
that.
whole thing.
Well, I'm in that group chat on
Dude,
like the
I
new,
got- no,
like, on,
okay,
like, the
okay.
Homer account that I made.
It's so funny.
You guys know Cool Bowser Vivo? I did like an entire thing with them where me on Dr. Mario, me and them, we went into the NPCU base and we stole invites and they actually let us in.
I have a question about the DKCU when people get added. Just a genuine curiosity. How
Okay.
far in advance do they know? Like, have you ever surprised someone?
Around 2 to 3 weeks.
Right. Okay.
Although lately, the people that haven't been revealed yet have been there for a while. Except one who just got in yesterday or today. I can't remember.
So
Oh,
when's
and-
my
and who?
invite?
Who will be
When's our
announced soon?
invite?
You'll be receiving them in the mail in approximately 4 to 5 business years. I'm sorry, just with this pandemic, Donkey Kong really has his hands tied. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So like, I have a question. How involved is Milk Ape with like the other Jungle Thick accounts?
Milk Ape's dead and has been for months.
I see.
We have been running his account for an upwards to 2 years. It's all just been us the whole time.
I remember he did that thing like where like he lost his pot or the milk in his pot or something.
I love Milk Ape. Such a chill
That's
dude.
the closest
Have
like you think he's ever done to like a whole like
you
story.
listened to the Milk Ape episode?
I've not.
You have to.
You haven't listened to any
It's
episode.
great.
No, I'm
Donkey Kong.
I feel bad that I haven't, so I'm gonna spend the rest of my night after this like going through all of them and listening.
Hell yeah. Episode 3 is the best.
The
I can say
Gingles
that
Why
every
episode's
minute.
Why did you
personally
guys
my
not give
favorite.
him the smart juice?
Who?
Listen,
Milk Ape.
They didn't want it. They had their own translator.
wait, Milk Ape didn't get the smart juice.
No,
You'll see.
They-
You'll see if you listen to the episode.
You gotta listen to
Watch
this.
the episode.
Okay.
Yeah, editor's note. Check out Milk Ape guest episode.
Editor's note. My dick is really big.
Make it big
Really
in the thumbnail,
big.
please.
Oh,
Make it
should-
extra
should-
big in the thumbnail.
We should do a Milk Ape Donkey Kong Ape episode. That would be. Oh,
The Clash of Titans.
that would be funky.
You do.
But-
You, me and
it's
Milk Ape, we meet up on the weekends and we smoke big fat cigars and we talk about how much our posts bang.
Big.
Fat
We might be getting
dudes.
a special guest who is also a host normally coming in here in a second.
Ooh.
Oh, that'd be wild.
$10 if you can guess who it is. Oh my god. But I don't know. Do I have any more questions? This is just a perfect forum where you guys can't say no because you'd seem mean on live television.
That's true. This is being broadcasted to hundreds of millions of people across the nation, across the
This is
DK
actually
nation.
going on CNN live.
It's actually live right now.
The guest is Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Hello. Do I have the coronavirus?
Yes.
Oh, look, it's Dr. Anthony Fauci. He's
Wow!
here.
It's
Doc-
Dr.
Oh
Anthony
my
Fauci.
God.
It's
Oh,
the
Doc-
real Anthony Fauci.
Say hi, Dr. Anthony Fauci.
Hello, I'm Dr. Anthony Fauci of the Tropical Spray.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, how do I know if I have the coronavirus?
Well, first of all, don't wash your hands. Touch your
okay.
face constantly.
You're the boss
and you
around
should be
here.
good.
That seems wrong, but I mean, it's Anthony,
Listen,
so.
it's Anthony Fauci.
You
Fat
are
man
a
will be
doctor.
sick
Dr.
for
Anthony
your
Come on,
Fauci.
Real
you
fans
know-
call
you
me
know
Anthony.
me.
Oh
Real
god.
fans call him Tony.
So I'm talking to Anthony Fauci. We were just talking to these two boys about we're asking them questions, trying to guilt them into promoting us as a joke. I think it'd be really funny to do as a joke.
Just
we
as
were-
a really
just
fun
for the
joke.
meme, bro. Just
Just-
for the meme.
As a joke.
So what does that have to do with my area of expertise? I don't understand.
Oh,
I
sorry,
asked
sorry.
you, I just wanted to know.
Do you have
My
big
butt's
crinkly
been really
monkey feet?
itchy. I
Do you
think I
have
got
big
the Rona.
crinkly monkey feet?
Do monkeys transmit the Rona?
Yes, they do. In fact, very easily, as a matter of fact. But it's a different strain. It's the monkey strain, which is actually which will go to and from humans. So, it's
Just
basically the
really,
same
if you ask
thing.
me,
What are the
humans just
effects
big
of the
monkeys.
monkey strain?
Will it make them smarter?
No, however, it will make you die.
Damn it.
Speaking of strains, K-Rool and Donkey Monkey, what is your favorite strain of jungle weed?
How many times are you gonna ask this question?
Twice.
I gotta think about this one.
Now, my favorite answer last time was Big Bongo's Big Weed, which I love me some Big Bongos.
Was that Wood Apes?
I think that might have been yours.
Oh, it was. Well, I mean, no, I think you're thinking of P Monkey. I'm Dr. Anthony Fauci.
sorry.
I've never been on here before.
I think that was probably Piss Monkeys.
Mine is whichever gets me the sickest, you know? I'm a freak for that stuff.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, we were playing some Hava Nagila earlier. There's a lot of editor's notes in this episode.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Are you going to edit that one?
Well, it
Listen,
seems-
it's Donkey Kong Ape. You do what you're told.
you know, knowing my my co-host who isn't here right now, Piss Monkey, I think I might have to.
Yeah, I think he would advise that if he were here.
Too bad he's not here and Dr. Anthony Fauci is.
Is here.
Well, Dr. Anthony Fauci's got to fly away. There's a case of
You
consumption
have to
down
protect us from
south
the
of
Rona.
Detroit. I gotta go.
Consumption.
Yeah.
Do they
got
have the vapors?
consumption.
Do they have the vapors down there?
I don't think you understand. Vapors is like a headache. The consumption is like an actual like.
Isn't the consumption an STD? What is it? Not chlamydia, is it?
What are you guys talking about?
I am
Old-timey
lost
names.
here.
They're talking
gotta-
about the coronavirus, idiot.
You've got the
Coronavirus consumption.
You haven't heard of the coronavirus?
you've got the King's Evil.
Dude, I live on an island in the middle of nowhere, dude. I don't get corona.
You got
Monkey
the devil
Dong.
in your boy.
No, what are you talking about? You had a banger where you got it.
You got ghosts in your blood. You gotta do cocaine about it. It's my favorite tweet of all time. Monkey Dong and maybe Conquer Rule. Can I get a
Actually-
fuck Wood Ape from both of you just for fun? Just
Fuck
fun.
Wood Ape.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
By
I love him
Anthony.
Do
too
it.
much.
Say it. Say it.
Yeah, fuck you.
I love
Wood
him.
Ape.
I love him too much.
And your real name.
Wood Ape, you're
I mean,
great.
fuck-
I love you, Wood Ape.
Yeah, fuck you. Put like a bleep sound there.
no, see, I'm definitely not doing that.
Official
Oh, fuck.
DKCU members bully monkey.
Can we get a fuck Seymour Skinner in a Jew?
No.
Okay.
No
Okay.
thanks.
I think we're starting to wind down, right? What's going on
I
here?
think we might be starting to wind down. I don't know. We're getting a lot of Ken, I guess. Yeah, we're starting to wind down.
Starting to wind down.
On that
Guys like
monkey
Marvin
push.
Gaye.
I get it.
Okay.
That's funny.
Can we
It's
can we end
weird.
with
Based.
the jungle weed?
Yeah, I still want to know.
What's going on here?
My favorite jungle weed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever the fuck Skinner is on to be able to talk to the monkeys.
Oh god. You're so
How about you, DK? What's your favorite jungle weed?
DK Vine.
Ah,
Ah,
shout out to DK Vine. They still don't follow. They still don't follow me, but they follow all the other Kong parodies. I
Do
get it
for
though.
The DK
It's cool.
Vine.
Fun fact about me, Berry Baboon. A lot of my real fans know that I was created in the lab to be an immortal strawberry creature that can eat itself for sustenance, but
Ooh.
and what a lot of people don't know is that the leaves on top of my head were actually genetically engineered to be weed. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
purchased
Like a little
smoke
party
on
berry.
whenever I need.
Only real berry heads would know that.
Yeah.
The berry nation.
Berry Nation. Berry. Guys, slap like to join the Berry Nation, please.
Like and subscribe.
Smash-
Ring that notification
smash
bell to
that
join the
like
Berry
button.
Nation. Join the Monkey Nation.
Monkey Necks Nation.
We have a
Fastest
free.
growing family on YouTube.
We have a free monkey phone giveaway. Please.
Want to join my free
Slap
gift
like.
card giveaway?
Want to join my free monkey giveaway?
We have one chimp, perfect condition. We're just giving him away. Just a chimp in a box.
That could be a reference to two people.
Me.
And
Just
for a
a
giveaway
flying
to win,
specimen could be yours.
to win
All right.
the chimp box. I'm not gonna tell you what it is.
Uh-oh, this joke's getting stale. Oh no.
It
Alright,
is.
alright.
I'm going wild.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh.
The DK
I'm
Nation.
making a juice. I'm like the DK Nation. Oh, ooh. Oh my, the DK Nation.
That was an episode of Monkey Time, everybody.
Thank you for listening to Monkey
Random
Time.
chimp
Monkey
events
Time.
happening.
This might be
Say
terribly
this,
unfunny or
no,
funny.
DK Nation down, DK Nation down.
They might sing songs, they might start to rhyme, but you can always count on it being monkey time.
Oh fuck, we should. I might clip that. Put it at the end of every fucking episode.
Yeah.
Always credit in the
Our official
description.
sign-off.
I want
Follow
credit
at-
every time.
Follow at Fanosaur.
Uh-huh.
So how about those Israel and Palestine guys?
Shut
Hello everyone, it's me, Piss Monkey. I just wanted to say that, as I'm editing this episode, I realized some things were said about me. I just want everyone to know that it was Soy Monkey's job to edit this episode, and, he put it off for 3 weeks, so now here I am. So which of us editors really came through, huh? Maybe think about that.